Welcome back to Daytime Live. All right, so now, Team Kardashian is going into overdrive to erase a private photo showing a side of Khloe few outside of the family get to see.
Now, the image shows the reality star's face and body as she appears in a bikini by a pool without the heavy editing and airbrushing that, many mainstream, most of the photos that we see of the Kardashians are like that. So what she puts on Instagram, usually they're airbrushed and all that good stuff. So the shot, which is confirmed as authentic, soon spread around the internet.
However, many copies of the photo were taken down under legal threats from the Kardashian camp, which called the image beautiful, but said they wanted it gone because it was unauthorized. The color-edited photo was taken of Khloe during a private family gathering and posted onto social media without permission by mistake by an assistant. The assistant's name is Tracy Romulus. This is the chief marketing officer of KW Brands, said that in a statement that they were posted by the assistant by accident.
So my question is, are you on Team Kardashian when it comes to this? That if an image of yourself is posted or put up or out, if you don't like it, should it be taken down?
What do you think?
For me, that's a tricky one. It's a tricky one. Because, you have celebrities there like Beyonce. Every picture that you see of Beyonce, is pre-approved. So she literally has a team of people, but she got some program savvy people that just rips the photograph. So she not in a conversation with you. She just rips the photograph off the internet.
Not every picture of Bob Marley authorized.
That is not, yeah.
Bob no unauthorized picture out there.
Out there.
You can't just put a picture of Bob Marley like you're a bad man. You can't.
But I feel like if you have, but I'm also on team freedom of doing what you want to do, whatever that is called. Because if I have a picture of Craig and I think Craig look nice and I want to post it and say, oh, look at Craig, it's looking cute. That's my picture. I'm going to care if Craig don't like it. May I leave it?
Actually, it's my picture. No?
It is your picture. It's your image. Was that my picture? Or your image? Yeah. So what I was saying earlier was, if you're a celebrity, that's why you call yourself a public figure. Like, no, people always say, like, why should I change her ear? Should I change her ear? And they have a right to say what they want to say. Me not change because me like it.
Well, the thing is, I'm a little bit different. For me, so like if any picture you take of me, whether I like it or I don't like it, like I don't really care that much if you put it out, because I know say I'm me and that is me. So I'm not gonna have
some pictures look good on you and some pictures don't look too good.
Yeah, there are pictures out there that I don't like. There are pictures out there that but at the end of the day I was like, whatever. However, I do agree completely with Khloe and the camp. I feel like if you don't, all right, let's say for instance, because just like her, she has been struggling with weight issues for a while, and she feels like she's at a point where she only wants to put her best foot forward and have her body shown in the best possible way. You don't know what kind of mental and psychological struggles she went through to get to that point. The fact that she's at that point now means that she wants to show that she's here. She wants to show herself as victorious to inspire people, one, and to re-encourage herself too. So when you put out a picture that she don't think is flattering, she should have the right to tell you to take it down.
But here's the thing, because I agree with you 100% and not simultaneously. You see, because the picture was put out by her people, then she has a right to ask her people to be like, hello, take that down. Now, I remember when I was working at a camp that Mariah Carey was at. It was Camp Mariah in Poughkeepsie. And Mariah Carey came and we're like teaching the underprivileged kids like the arts and stuff. And she came, she's like, you can all take pictures of us. They had to line, the kids with the little camera, they had to line up. Her assistant would go behind the camera, look at the lighting, look at how she looked, and then the person could click the picture. Do you remember this? So she's like, no. So they had to line up and everything.
And rightfully so.
Because it's her camp. I feel like if it's a private picture that's taken, I have a picture, like I went to a concert and I see Craig in a concert and I'm sharing it and I think it's great. It's my right to post it. So I'm on both camps.
Yeah, that is if you can even take picture.
Sheffield agree with me.
No, but that is if
that's
you
the
can
first
even...
time ever in the history of Daytime Live, Sheffield agree with anything we say.
But you know what I said? That is if you can even... No, you can't just take your picture, your phone in a people concert, no?
Since when?
Oh, you mean since a long time?
No, I'm always here like.
You can't just carry your phone in the people concert and take picture and video them and then something. You can't do that.
I don't know about that. But obviously I'm not going to the right concert.
I'm telling you because it's not your property. What they're doing on stage is their intellectual property and their image that they are owners of. So you just taking it and putting it on your Instagram page or wherever you want to post it. You don't really have the right.
But here's the thing. You have someone like TMZ. Nobody ever give TMZ the right to post nothing. And TMZ always catch you in a unfortunate position. You know TMZ is always like underneath somewhere all sneaking.
No, man, but
and nobody can tell them to take that down.
That is what you think. That's
well,
what you think.
TMZ
don't feel like a
care.
lot of those unflattering things are not done on purpose. You know?
That's true.
Don't feel so. Yeah, it have to be authorized, especially a company as large as TMZ, because them can pick up a lawsuit that lock them completely
It's
down.
true.
Yeah,
It's true.
Them can't do that.
So the thing about it is, I feel like there's two.
But she look good at the best picture this year.
I think she looked good. I mean, I have a lot to say, but I feel like.
I like when people look natural still. I just me. I'm not the dolly
But
thing.
I feel she looked very snatched.
Yeah, of course. Well, them
Me no
snatch
mind
only.
the snatching, you know. When you see me snatch, me no want nobody say nothing to me because me I go snatch too.
When you snatch, I'm going to take a picture and post it.
Me I go make you. Me I go say.
Go ahead.
I'll be like, all this money spent, you try post it good. Anywho, on that note, what's happening?
Daytime Live will be right back.